ang sinasalihan ba natin at sinusundan ay led by Jesus o kunwari lang Jesus pero ang tunay na leader, teachers of the law and Pharisees? What is one as we contextualize and indigenize the faith? At ano ang sinasabi nito? Nakalagay sa baba, mapapansin natin, this is day by day into Jesusness. The realization, the wisdom taught to us by God, and now the commitment of day by day Jesus ministries to return to basic Jesusness, salain yung Christianity, at itira yung Jesusness. Kasi ang dami-dami ng laman ng Phariseeism, na characters of the teachers of the law of Moses, ang present-day Christianity. At ano ang words sa wari nitong si Lady Liberty na spiritual? Ano ang sinasabi ni Lady Spiritual Liberty? Ano ang sinasabi ng day-by-day Jesus Ministries? The wretched refuse of your teeming religion. You're condemned and stoned. You're shamed and shunned. You're outcasts, the refugees from your persecution. Send these, the spiritually homeless, tempest-tossed to me. I lift my lamp beside the golden door. Bakit tempest-tossed? Siniklot-siklot ng mga alon at hangin kasi tumawid na yung mga original refugees from Europe across the Atlantic Ocean to America. Ngayon yung ocean na yun could be any religious experience na tinatawiran, nararanasan, at nagiging source ng pagdurus na pintuan. Ito ang sinasabi natin ngayon sa Pharisaic churches. Mga malaparisayong kongregasyon, sarili ninyo na lang ang katuroan niyong hindi maka-Jesus. Ipakupkup niyo na lang sa akin ang mga sakop niyong labis na ang hirap ng loob, sakal na at di na makahinga, gapos at di na makagalaw. Ipaalagaan niyo na lang sa akin ang inyong mga binabasura, inuusig at binabato, hinihiya at ikinahihiya, nilalait at itinitiwalag, ang mga biktima ng inyong pagmamalinis at pagbabanal-banalan. Papuntahin na lang ninyo sa akin silang mga niyanig ng bagyo ng inyong relihiyon at ngayon lito, ulila at walang masulingan. Itinataas ko ang manining na ilaw sa tabi ng bukas na pintuan ni Jesus. Ano ang aplikasyon makasalanan? Alam natin ang kwento. Pumasok ang babae sa pagdiriwang at kumagulgol sa paanan ni Jesus.
I will be presiding for today, and together with Shalom, JC, and Josiah, we will be leading the worship team today in song and praise. Ayan, sorry po. It is a great pleasure on behalf of the youth to be praising God and worshiping Him by serving Him today in front of all of you. And being here in front reminds me of the verse ni Solomon sa Proverbs 22 verse 6. Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Truly, God is so good. And alam ko po na ito po din po yung inaasahan din po ng mga adults dito sa church na matuto na rin pong mag-lead ang mga youth dito para in other news, I want to invite everyone. purpose ng worship service. And we would be very glad to meet you personally. Second, nagpapasalamat po tayo sa table sa kanan po. And we would like for all of you to partake as we fellowship together after this service. Welcome po na magdala ang lahat ng pagkain for sharing or for potluck next week din. Pangatlo po, karugtong po nito, tinatawagan po ang bawat isa na magdala ng kanilang cups at food containers. Let us love all creation and take care of our planet. So, as of now po, meron pa rin po tayong mga cups dyan po para sa mga may nakalimot po na magdala ng cups or wala pa talaga. Pero next week po, please bring your own cups po. That goes the same for me and my sister kasi ano rin po kami. Guilty din po kami yan. So, let us all help each other to remind each other din na magdala ng sarili nating mga cups. Fourth, we would like to invite you all to be part of our ministry volunteers. Express your love and kindness through service. Hanapin lang po si Ate Judith, ang aking ina. But as of now, wala po siya dito ngayon. But you can also reach out to Ate